Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2017 Nissan Navara. So from any screen, if we click here, nav, you see their new address, previous destination. So we'll go on to nav, we want a postcode, click on postcode. Just thinking about it, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, PR. And then we want numbers. So 5, 4, E, A, PR5, 4EA, that's it. We click OK. Calculating fastest route. No, it's not said anything, so let's just see, next page, quick stop. Guidance. It didn't speak the instructions, so we need to get down to guidance and map settings. Click on guidance and map settings. You see their first voice guidance, that's off. We'll click it on. So that's it. We'll go back to the map. So now it's telling you.
Make a U-turn if possible.
That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.